Greetings, folks. William C. Rogers back at you with another video. And of course, you may know me as the publisher of EasyMoneySite.biz, where I report all my findings and experiments and observations in the world of online money making, the different ins and outs. You can reach me over at EasyMoneySite.biz. Come around. I got a whole bunch of resources, whole bunch of reviews, and a whole bunch of tools that I know you're gonna find useful. Okay, but in today's video we're gonna do a review over a neat little resource tool that I've been using for ClickBank, known as CB Pro. And if you just go take a look at cbpro.weezymal.info, that's cbpro.weezeemall.info, you'll go ahead and reach a page that looks like this. And as you can see, making money with ClickBank wasn't this easy before. And for those of you who may not know, ClickBank itself is just an online website that hosts hundreds of thousands of products that average everyday people can take and go and resell. What they do is they give you a special unique link for one of the products that you choose to sell, and then all you do is you take that link and you promote it. And if you make any sales, then you'll earn a commission. The commissions range anywhere from 50 to 75%. And that's what's just so awesome about ClickBank. But what this particular resource does is it'll set all the products into one specific site, and that site is already designed, and it'll have your ClickBank ID already stored in it. So let's take a look at one of the sites right here. Let's say this site right here. So you can see what the layout is like. People would reach this page, and you'd see the categories there to the left. Recently added products, and these are all the top selling products over at ClickBank, most of which are digital products, which contains how-to information, premium information products, and or software, video trainings. There's a lot of that, e-learning style courses and whatnot span across many of subjects. That's hundreds of thousands of products. And each one of these products, regardless of what the particular subject is, we could, we could try something. I think we just clicked on a product here. And then each category brings up the associated products, as you can see. And when you click on it, and each one of these, regardless of the category, has your ClickBank ID embedded in it. When you hover over the image there, it blows it up to give you a better picture of the product image, whatever it is there. When you click on it, I'll show you, like this one, for example. And it'll open up into its own separate sales page for that specific product. You see, this is a sales page for that specific product. And should anyone make a purchase, and it even comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Most of them do. Some even 90-day money-back guarantees. No problem there. Everything's legit here. These are products that sell every day. You'll get your commission. And ClickBank pays every 2 weeks if you're starting out just as beginner, but quickly you move up to weekly. They just want to get a good look at your record there. They may even move that up to weekly. You just have to come on in. You sign up at clickbank.com for free. And I just wanted to show you. But the CB Pro provides these particular mall style pages, and we can go back here over at cbpro.wheezymall.info. Let's take a look at the latest version. This is the latest version here. Just wanted you to see the difference, the design style of this one. Look at this one. Very modernized style. Has a little bit of everything in it, all the products. They even have different product reviews. And each product has its own individualized pages. Now you notice this Amazon shopping box here. This is something that I'll actually give you. It's a way that you can actually earn some instant, some extra, some extra commissions via Amazon with Amazon's affiliate program. They can shop there and they'll be taking to Amazon. Whatever they buy, you'll earn a percentage of those commissions. I also have it on the sidebar as well, as you can see here. You can just do there and you can search. I'll show you right quick how it reads. I can just put in, I don't know, I always like finding good shoes on Amazon. Let's take a look. I'll show you how it works. And you can see it opens up on the comfortable shoe page. And anyone who clicks on them, of course, it's already coded to my ID right there. When they buy something, I'll earn a commission from Amazon.com. And like I said, when you go over to cbpro.wheezymall.info and sign up for free, I'll go ahead and get you going with all that. So yeah, and like I said, there's even review pages. Take for this product here. If we click on it, say read the full review. Watch how it opens up to the review page. You should take a look at that. You see, this is what I mean by it opens in its own page. And look, it has a full review there on the products. Isn't that awesome? This is already built in. And again, and this isn't a downloadable product. This is an actually diet supplement. So that you'll find a lot of those types of products in it too. When they click on to get instant access and they purchase, you'll get the commission, anywhere from 50 to 75% commissions. And even in these related products, they click on those. Those are more review style products, as you can see, and they'll get paid the commission. All of this already has your ID embedded in it. Of course, you can go right up in here and see how the drop down is. Awesome there. Awesome, awesome. Click on a category, see what happens. Boom. Very nicely laid out. You don't have to do any of the coding. You don't have to set any of this up. All you got to do is sign up at cbpro.wheezymall.info. And again, when you sign up with me, I'm going to include the Amazon search engine. I'm going to go ahead and hook that up for you so you can make additional commissions via Amazon's associate program. Now, back over at cbpro.wheezymall.info. So you do get those different style malls that you can use. You're going to get a unique link, specialized link, but of course it's a kind of long link, so I would recommend you go to GoDaddy.com and get you a domain name. For example, I got the domain name wheezymall.info. It's based off a nickname I had growing up. That's where it comes from, in case you guys are wondering. And when you go to wheezymall.info, it actually goes to this particular page here. I call that my mall. It's a mall. It's a mall, an online shopping mall. So there you go. But you have these designs, but that's not all that comes with this. So you also get storefronts with your ClickBank ID embedded in them. See all these different type of storefronts in different niches. For example, look at this one here. Let's take, it says weight loss here. Take a look at it. And it looks like this. And see, and even these ads on the side should anybody click on any of these ads and purchase anything from them, you'll also earn a commission from those as well, because these are ClickBank products too that sell every day. And again, your ID is built in them. Anybody goes and chooses one of these products and they go ahead and go to visit website and purchase. You want to click on one of these ads, purchase, you will get a percentage of those commissions. Just wanted you to see that. And look, there's many different niches. And for those of you who might know about WordPress, you can even take this thing further. There's a plugin that comes with WordPress. WordPress is basically just it started off as a blogging platform, but you can actually have your own website. And you'll take this, one of these niche versions, install it to your WordPress, and boom, WordPress is free too. You just need your own website hosting, and you'll have even more control over the website itself. All that comes with it. There's also a host of ad type tools you can use, different type of things you can put if you already have a site. There's there's all kinds of stuff here. I want to show you. If you go to easymoneysite.biz, if we scroll down to the footer here, you see this section which says Easy Marketing Resources. You see all these different rectangular blocks? That's actually an ad block that came from CB Pro. It's a free resource, and if anyone clicks on one of these links and purchases, well, my ClickBank ID is embedded in them, and they rotate. It's always a different rotator. That's just a neat. You could customize the colors, and you can customize the subject. I'm showing different marketing resources, but say your website is about, I don't know, auto mechanics or something. You could have your ads to rotate nothing but products that come from the auto mechanics industry. You see what I'm saying? So you can customize it how you want. This here is also a rotating ad that came from CB Pro. Different offers will display on this banner right here, and my ClickBank ID is embedded in it. But it all came from cbpro.weezymall.info. These are all the different type of tools. You can read more here and see what they each do, but I wanted to show you the storefronts because they're the most, that's kind of awesome. You can have those storefronts. Just think of the possibilities are endless of what you could do with these storefronts. It's just endless. Each one of these is yours that you can use. Each one of these. And you can take it further, as I said, and don't forget, when you join it with me, I'll include the Amazon search engine that'll get you even more profits via Amazon. That's good, especially for those people who may be looking specifically for physical products, which Amazon has to offer. Now, when you join with me for free at cbpro.weezymall.info, you'll be able to use any one of these sites for free, but just know that as a free member, 50% of the links within the site will be your referral, right? There is a way where you upgrade and get the 100% of links. For example, let's click on, let me show you this one, for example. So you chose this site per se, and again, the links will have your particular ClickBank ID links, but out of all the products, 50% of the products will have your refers links. So just know that. But you can, of course, earn commissions and upgrade where every single product per particular turnkey website will be yours. No big deal. Come on over and cbpro.weezymall.info and get started. That's the main point. You want to get started. Get these commissions built up. These weekly ClickBank commissions can be yours. I just want to say peace and light. Everything's going to be all right. Come get your ClickBank Mall storefront.